Hey guys, welcome to Distaka channel, guys. So one thing I remember you. So any kind of website, like you can selecting for this website. This website will be Narayana MEP Bangalore. This website providing for Rift MEP training, AutoCAD, HVAC, and plumbing training. They're providing kind of trainings. So a lot of people are mistaking for this kind of H1 tag is missing. So in this H1 tag, how we can updating for PHP website? It is a designed by any kind of platform. The H1 tag compulsory will be mandatory. There is a simple technique I tell you. First, we can design the page. Exactly, we have to know about the page option. That is called, first of all, they are given by the cPanel option. So what are the H1 tag you missing? We can use the PHP tag compulsory important. Go to file manager. The design website based on the file will be adding the particular website. So which page? This one, course information. In a course information, all page will be same. In you are using title. So what is the title will be using here? What are the header will be using? The header will be using H3, but we are using for H1 tag. So we are using for H1 tag. After adding H1 tag, just we can refresh here. Now coming to this point, previous no H1 tag. Now we'll be adding for H1 tag is there. Next one, we can go to another course. Control U, Control F, H1 tag. So we are adding for H1 tag. Properly adding H1 tag mandatory field. So I can go to blocks, select it, Control U, Control F, H1 tag. No H1 tag in blog. So where it is blog info. So we can go to the blog info page, edit, click this. In this blog info, where we can use H1 tag or H3 tag. So where we can using the header tag. We can check it out on the particular thing. Same here. This also will using H3. So we can shifting into the H1 tag. Each page H1 tag compulsory mandatory field. So any page is missing, just you can refresh on the page, go to cPanel and add the H1 tag. Compulsory, where exact your title. So that is the PHP echo page title will be H1 tag. There is compulsory use. H1 tag, one compulsory each page, less than 3 H1 tag compulsory important. So what is the common page we can use updating the SEO header tag option? This is a PHP website users. Anyone still have facing the problem? Just we can go to the particular common page to update H1 tag is updating for all pages. Coming to home page, Control U, Control F, H1 tag. No H1 tag is there. Here, welcome to Nara MAP. We can putting on the H1 tag. So we can go to the home page option. So compulsory H1 tag is mandatory field. If you're forgetting H1 tag, this compulsory facing the problem for your website. So H1 tag will be used close with the H1 tag option. Refresh it. So this will be particular option will be here. Now we refresh, Control F, H1 tag. So welcome to non-MIP will be done by H1 tag. Properly will adding for H1 tag option. So these are the options. Anyone looking for your particular matter or particular design, we can go to option will be here. This kind of course will be providing for our MIP training institutions and add the, if you're missing any H1 tag, go to proper page, find the H1 tag, add the H1 tag option. If you anyhow PHP website is facing problem for H1 tag, you can contact me in my channel. Definitely will be answer your particular things. And one more thing, guys. Recently, some people are missing the comment option. I'm unable to give the reply. So I'm any missing comments are there. Definitely we can re-comment them. And definitely will be support on your particular each and every question. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.